Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. When I started to wear contact lens, it was so hard for me to put in. Sometimes it took me like 5 to 15 minutes. I have a small trick, so I will show you how I put on the contact lens. In this video, I will also review and compare those circle lenses. I will give the link in the description box, and this is my coupon code. Thank you so much for sponsoring me those contact lenses. They are very useful for me because I don't wear normal contact lens. I started to wear the circle lenses when I was like 17 or 18. It's been over 10 years. It's never caused me any problems, and my eyesight is same as 10 years ago. So those are the circle lenses I picked out. The diameter between 14mm to 14.5mm. Personally, I prefer 14.5mm because it makes your eyes look larger. I prefer the color brown or black because it's close to my eye color. Except for cosplay, I don't really like to wear other colors, especially the blue and green ones. The color is too far from my original colors. I already soaked those lenses overnight, so when you buy a new pair of circle lens, it's better to soak those at least 6 hours. I soak those overnight, and it's better to clean those lenses every 2 or 3 days, and always take off your contacts before go to bed. How to put on your contacts quickly, like 2 seconds. So you will need those contact applicators. When you buy the circle lens, they usually give you free contact case and those contact applicator. So firstly, you use both your hands, open your upper and lower eyelids, and then you will start putting the lens from the lower part of your eyes. Some people say it's better to put on the contacts before wear makeup, and other people say it's better to wear makeup and then put contacts. For me, both way are okay. So some people put contacts after makeup because sometimes when they apply the eyeshadow and the powder can get in, and if you have the contacts in, you will feel uncomfortable and compared to the other one. Can you see the color differences? This one is dark brown and this one is more black. The diameter of those two are the same, but somehow this one looks a little bit larger than the left one. And next I will try this one, and you can tell the diameter is smaller than this one, even though this one got more colors. The size is similar to your eyes. This is more natural looking except the colors. It feels like it has dots like stars. It still looks very pretty, but personally I prefer larger diameter lenses. Take this one off and compare to the other one. It's hard to tell which one is bigger. Let's see on the eyes. I still feel this one is larger. Different contact lens suit for different makeup. This pair would suit for a sexier makeup, and this one would suit for a more natural and cute and innocent makeup. This is just how I feel, and this pair is my favorite one, and this pair will also suit for sexier outfits. And next, let's compare to those two. I have been wearing this pair in my videos. Let's compare those two, which one is bigger. Looks like the left pair look bigger. This pair enlarge your eyes really obvious, but it's not common on the market. Most circle lenses, the diameter is between 14mm to 14.5mm. Very hard to get larger size. So this one is about 14.8mm. It's pretty huge. Most large size are this one. Compare those two. This one look more natural, and and this one is more like dolly look. I like both. Can you tell the differences from the distance? This one is a little bit larger and this one look more natural. So those lenses are very comfortable. I was wearing one of pair yesterday. It was super comfortable. I didn't feel anything even for a couple hours. I will try to make videos more frequently in the future. Most videos will be about fashion and makeup and some transformation videos. If you like to watch vlog style video or some food and casual videos, you could check out my second channel. And sometimes I make videos with my husband. And if you want to know more about me, I have a Patreon. I publish more personal videos and more videos about my feelings. I'm happy when you are watching my videos. So that's all for today. Next video will be affordable fashion videos. Bye bye. I will see you in next video soon.